Since the founding of the United States, individuals have been concerned over drinking water quality, which has led to serious outbreaks in human health. Water treatment originally focused on improving the aesthetic qualities of drinking water. Qualities like turbidity or clarity were some of the first factors that were looked at when determining how clean the water source was. The water seen in this image has a low turbidity and is very clear, which is an indicator of how clean the water source is. One of the first improvements made in clean drinking water was instilled in 1914 when the United States' first drinking water quality standard for bacteriological quality was proclaimed by the U.S. Treasury Department. The standards later became the basis for the U.S. Public Health Service drinking water standards, and further on became part of the U.S. EPA water quality standards. There have been many advancements in drinking water quality over the years, including the invention of several ways in which to clean our drinking water, which are shown in the following slides. But still, the infrastructure of our water systems are not perfect, and there has been a need for further improvements in order to sustain human health and keep diseases like cholera and dysentery at bay. In 1974, the United States government passed the Safe Drinking Water Act, but even with the government supporting clean drinking water and the advancements of clean drinking water, outbreaks of waterborne diseases continue to plague human health. Because of outbreaks such as these, it is evident that the United States water infrastructure needs improvement. The United States Environmental Protection Agency recently released results of a survey showing that $384 billion in improvements are needed for the nation's drinking water infrastructure through 2030 for systems to continue providing safe drinking water to U.S. citizens. However, it is important to note that the infrastructure in place is, in theory, excellent, but other outside influences like parasites that are unknown to scientists and doctors could still harm our water supply. Ultimately, it is imperative to keep in mind that while water is vital to human life, it can contain unseen contaminants, and therefore water needs to be kept at high regulation standards in order for human life to prosper with clean drinking water.